Hey everyone, welcome back to Card Magic Journey. My name is Joe, and whether you're new to card magic or you're just trying to sharpen up on the fundamentals, this channel is all about learning card magic together. In today's video, we're going to go through two different techniques of holding the deck of cards that play a huge role in concealment and clean presentation. And this is going to be the open end grip and the closed end grip. My name is Joe, and this is my card magic journey. Let's make it yours too. Let's start with the open end grip. And this is typically used when you want your handling to appear fair and natural. Maybe like during a false shuffle or when you're spreading the cards, which gives your fingers more mobility and makes certain sleight of hands like glimpses or peeks, a lot easier to do. Let's go through and show you how to do this. Okay, with the open-ended deck, you're going to basically hold the deck near its right corner. So the outer right corner and the inner right corner. And all we're going to do is we're going to take our middle finger, place it down, put our thumb down. We're just going to curl our index finger on top, and we're just going to lift those cards up. So that's the open end grip. And again, you can use that from picking, the cards up off the table. Okay. Our other fingers are just kind of along the side here on the side. You can also use that open end grip if you're in the dealer's position and you're going to hold the cards and you can just pick them up again. Remember, the index finger here is along the back of the fingernails on the cards itself. Middle finger, thumb. You can also, do this if you're taking cuts of the deck. Okay, or you want to just lift it up to put a finger break in. Okay, so a big finger break there. You can see that hopefully. Now let's go through the covered end grip. Again, the covered end grip is basically when we're going to do the same thing as what we just did here, except we're going to go all the way to the left side of the cards, and that's going to cover the whole front of the deck there. So hopefully you can see that it covers that deck. But basically all we're doing is we're taking the cards, thumb goes on the back left corner, middle finger goes on the left corner here, our ring and little pinkies lie around the front, index fingers on the top to help prevent any of the cards from sliding in, and if you have to do any pushing or bending of the deck or whatever. So again, we have the covered end grip basically coming in, middle finger, thumb, and index finger. The other fingers cover, or we can go from a dealing position coming in just like this. Remember that both of these grips are essential tools in the magician's toolbox. Learning when to switch between them and how to make those transitions smooth is basically what separates a beginner from somebody who is really thinking like a magician. So grab your deck of cards and practice both of these grips. Now, notice how each one feels and how they look from different angles and how they affect your confidence when performing. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification button so that way every time I put a new video out, you're notified. Also click on that playlist on the right hand side there. That'll bring you to the beginning of our journey and allow you to see where we're at if you're brand new to the channel here. And my name is Joe, and this is our card magic journey. Let's make it yours too. See you guys in the next video.